Harbor water temperature 86 degrees. The forecast for the Georgia and Carolina mountains, Clayton, Georgia, area mountains. Sunday, partly cloudy.
There they go. Tickle my balls and call me James Charles. They issued the SVR. They issued it in the name of Jesus. You hear that now?
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued
I'm sorry, I just...
thunderstorm warning for Eastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, north central Richland County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Springdale, moving south at 10 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That would be cool.
Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lake Carolina, Elgin, Longtown, Lugoff, Litherwood, Ridgeway, Hot Grove Fire Station, and Smallwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 89 and 90. Interstate 77 between mile markers 24 and 28. The National Weather Service in
And
Columbia
just like
has issued
that,
a severe thunderstorm
what was that?
warning for southeastern